Well, I haven't found much talk of aftermarket Sprinter exhaust. I don't think there's a whole lot out there that I've seen from a performance perspective. The only thing that I have seen is from Owl Vans, and it's more of a reroute just to get the exhaust out from underneath the vehicle. You might need that for a couple of reasons. I know they probably sell some of those specifically because of the Revel and how that's been routed. But another reason, which is why I'm doing it today, is I've installed an aftermarket hitch receiver. So as you can see, I've installed an aftermarket hitch receiver. My van build did not come with it, so I picked this up. It's from Kurt. It's really the only one that I've seen on the market, unless you go directly to Mercedes. Mercedes has a little bit more low profile one. But it's really expensive. I think it's over $1,000. This thing was only a couple $100, but the problem is you can see it actually butts up against this exhaust here. You can see that's really close, and that's a problem for a couple reasons. One is, it doesn't allow the exhaust to escape freely. But also I've noticed this thing gets really hot. It's gotten so hot it's burnt that sticker I put on there over a couple years, over about 50,000 miles. So I'm going to install a rerouted exhaust, something that kicks back right in front of that mud flap there. Okay, she's all installed, really easy, straightforward. The stock bolt to remove the back end of the stock exhaust was rusted, so I just took a grinder, pulled that thing off real easy, put the new one on. A couple of out-of-spec items from Owl, unfortunately, one of the clamps and one of their brackets, but I was able to source locally and modify them on my own, so no big deal there. And yeah, as Owl describes, I don't think anybody's going to notice any performance here. The sound is no different than stock. I think you would have to listen very closely to hear any major difference. It's on right now. This is the sound. So she's pretty quiet, but like I said, the big thing for me, the reason why I did this was to relocate that exhaust to throw to the side as opposed to back in that aftermarket hitch receiver. So more of a safety play for me than anything. And now I have confidence that I'm not building that nasty exhaust fumes underneath the van when it's stationary. Hope this helps you guys. Honestly, I think Owl's pretty proud of their price. I think that you could go to an exhaust shop and have them reroute it for half the cost. It'd probably be more of a economic, wiser decision there. But anyway, good luck. And if you have any questions, please let me know. See ya.